Christmas is coming and it's so exciting, and Simple Stories has some amazing products for you to help you decorate your planner for Christmas. So keep watching. Christmas products are so fun. I absolutely love scrapbooking, decorating my planner, and doing December Daily when I actually finished doing December Daily with pretty products. And Simple Stories has outdone themselves yet again with 3 fantastic Christmas collections. And I'm going to take you through all 3 of them. But first we'll start with this one. This is Merry and Bright. It's happy, it's fun, it's cute, it's jolly. So let's get into it. Here are the rest of the products, and I will take you through each one so you can sort of have a look at all the things that you can get. So first of all, there's washi. Gotta love washi, and they're really pretty. There's a simple green plaid, this red with, I think they're winter berries, I don't know what they're called, and then holly and like this little flower guy here all throughout, and poinsettias, so it's the same as here. It's really pretty, really fun. Next are these numbers, and these are fantastic. These can go in pockets, like if you're doing a snap album or Project Life. There's 1 to 25. Then we have puffy stickers, and these are a lot of fun. Some great designs there. Die cuts, and there are some really cute things. I love a little car. I think we used to have that car when I was little. I like this Cheers too, it's really fun. And these are tags and frames, so you can either put these in your planner or use them on your Christmas gifts. Because look at that snowman. He's so cute. Then there's a 6x8 paper pad. It has all these fantastic designs. And you get each one twice. And then these are always my favorite, the 4x6 stickers. And you get 2 sheets of shape stickers, a sheet of numbers, 2 sheets of squares, these little words, which I always use them a lot, and these frames and rectangles. And there's an example of what they look like a little bigger. I'll show you these ones as well. Super fun. These are the snap cards. If you're a planner and you don't know much more about Simple Stories besides their Carpe Diem, they do have albums. It's sort of like Project Life, where you can put cards in and document your life that way. So these are cards specifically for that, but they are totally usable, especially these little ones in your planner. You can use them as tip-ins or anything you like. And then there's the chipboard, and you know that I'm going to be making planner clips out of these chipboard because they're super cute. I think I'll do the snowman, the stocking, the 25 mittens. I don't know. I can't. Probably all of them. I don't know. We'll have to stop somewhere. And then the paper pack. So you get a sheet of stickers, and it's 12 by 12. You get all these words and this cute little border, and then all the shapes. And then you get all these papers. I'll go through them like this so you can get a close look at the designs. And that is the Merry and Bright collection. Next up is Simple Vintage. And this is more of an old-timey vintage Father Christmas type collection. And it's really classy, it's really elegant, and it's a lot of fun. So we have the washi again. We have a green check, red with words, and then holly berries with like a vintagey writing behind. I really like these frames. They're really fun. They've got like layers in the embellishments, and you can put them in your planner or anything. They will make a great way to decorate the front of an insert in a TN or a dashboard in a planner. Then they have 4x6 transparencies, and these are frames as well, but they're transparent, so you can use them as to-do lists and write on them with a dry erase marker and just add a little bit of Christmas to your planner. Then there's clear stickers, and there's 3 sheets. I love the red ones, but the black ones are nice too. Then the die cuts. Oh, I love that big poinsettia. You can see it right there in the front. And the 25 is nice, and I love these little banners. Oh, so many pretty ones in here. Then there's the 4x6 stickers. These have a cream color, almost like an aged look to them. Chipboard again, clips galore for me. And I love these little ones too. They're not, I wouldn't use them as clips, but they'll be great in my planner. That reindeer would make a really great clip. And these again are the snap cards. So you could use them as tip-ins or anything you like in your planner. Just because it's not made for planners doesn't mean you can't use it in your planner. And last is the paper pack. So I'll show you the papers first. And the stickers on the back. I love this Santa. He's really nice. I love this Believe, and there's just so many really nice images, and it just has a really classic Christmas feel to it. Then there's these numbers tags, which would be fantastic for a countdown or an advent calendar or something like that. And these are really fun. And last but not least is the Peace on Earth collection. And this is a simple set, so it's just these 6 papers plus the stickers. So I'll show you the papers first. And you get 2 of each design. And then the stickers on the back are really pretty. I love this one. And the Noel. And then the reason for the season and comfort and joy. I love these words, all of them. They're really nice. Alright, let's look at my favorites. So here are some of my favorites. I kind of narrowed it down to the very, very absolute favorites, otherwise we'd be here forever. Let's start with the Merry and Bright, because I did take most of my things from that. I think I like that collection the best. Plus the Peace on Earth one is really small, so there's not a lot to choose from there. So I picked out these little die cuts. They were my favorite. They were cute. I have a thing for candy canes. I don't know if it's the red stripes or my sweet tooth. Maybe it's a little bit of both. And then of course me and my tea. I love tea. So anything Christmas, anything tea, you can't go wrong. There's a lot of great papers, but again with the candy cane stripe, can't go wrong. I love it. I love it. And one of the things I really liked was the snap card. I'm going to show you this in a second, but I just want to show you some of my favorites. And these will be great, just tipped into my planner. Then there's a snowman, again, with the candy cane stripes. This guy, oh, he's just so cute, right? And then again, that matches the washi. 25, brown with dots. Okay, so what I like most about even the packaging is that each section has its own little spot, and each section opens so that you can get out just the card that you want, and you don't have to have everything in a big jumbled mess. Everything's together, and you can pick and choose just by the size. So if you have a spot for a 4x6 card, you can go to that pocket. If you have a tiny little spot, you can go to this pocket. So I think that was really smart. And of course, the chipboard, because yeah, planner clips, anyone? Yeah. So I'm going to make a few of those. Then from both the Merry and Bright and the Simple Vintage, I took the labels and flags and the numbers. I think those are my favorites in all of the 4x6 stickers. So I took those from that. And then also from the Simple Vintage, I like this big die cut. There were more die cuts, but I just picked that one. And then I did already get into the paper pack from Simple Vintage, and I took this one. And this is my Christmas planner for this year. And I do have it in my video on my Christmas planner. So if you want to have a closer look at that, I will put a little video here, and you can go check out the insides and look at my past planners as well. Oh, I forgot about the washi from the Merry and Bright collection. So that's this guy. I'm going to put it against the white so you can see it a bit better. And then I like the red from the Simple Vintage. Also from the Simple Vintage, I didn't pick a favorite of these. I might use more than one, but I think they'll be really, really good for dry erase lists. Then there's the clear red stickers. I put them on the white card just so that you could see them. But they really look like stamps, and I'm really impressed, and I can't wait to use these in my planner. And then from this collection, it was this paper, which is super pretty, and these little words and the squares on the bottom. I love it. One other thing that I really liked about the Merry and Bright collection is this light aqua turquoisey color, because they also have TN in the exact same color, and it's this color on the inside. It has this grid pattern on the inside. It comes with this insert. Wouldn't this make the best Christmas planner if you paired it with these stickers, right? Those are my favorites from the Simple Stories Christmas collections this year. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you next time. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.